Good afternoon, sir. So this is the model explaining physiology of muscle contraction. There are many theories given for explaining physiology of muscle contraction. One of them is the sliding filament theory, which was given by Huxley and Hansen in the year 1954. Now, in muscle contraction, this is the contracted position of our muscle and this is the relaxed position of our muscles. Now what happens inside our muscle cells? There are filaments. There are two types of filaments present inside our muscle cell. One is thin filament and the other is the thick filament. The thin filament is called the actin filament, which is made up of three proteins, that is actin, tropomyosin and troponin. The tropomyosin filaments bounded over these actin filament, and this troponin protein is present on the various sides of this tropomyosin protein. And another thick filament is the myosin. Myosin is the polymer. It is made up of monomer called meromyosin. The meromyosin is composed of three parts, that is the tail portion, the short arms and the head. The head of the meromyosin contains two binding sites, that is actin binding site and the ATP binding site. Now what happens in muscle contraction? Our nerve cells get joints with our muscle cells. So what happens? The dendrites of our nerve cells releases acetylcholine chemical substance inside our muscle cells, and that acetylcholine reaches inside the sarcoplasmic reticulum, which initiates the release of calcium ions from it, and that calcium ion comes and bind to this sites and removes troponin from the thin filament. And after the removal of this troponin from the thin filament, what happens? This actin binding site, which is present on the head of this meromyosin, pulls the thin filament towards itself, causing the contraction of the muscle. Hence the name has been given sliding filament theory, because the thin filament is sliding over the thick filament, and the energy for the contraction of the muscle is provided by the ATP. That ATP binds with the another side, that is ATP binding site. Relaxed position of our muscle, and this is the contracted position of our muscle. This thick filament, after the removal of this troponin, will pull this thin filament towards it, causing the thin filament to slide over the thick filament. In this way, the contraction of our muscles takes place. This is all about my model. This is all about sliding filament theory. Thank you.